6:45 in the morning. Going back to my home late. It's one of the last days I have off before I go back to work. I've had these last couple days off. Had a cold and didn't want to go into work with it. So, I mean, I got over it within 2 days, but you know, still, you don't want to be contagious. It's a lot of viruses going on right now. My dad has the flu. He's not doing too well. He should recover though. But anyway, man, I'm still after that 5-pound or bigger trout, man. I've been after it almost every day for the last week and a half. And I'm hoping on this last day, you know, I can get me a monster, man. But anyway, headed back to Antioch. Try and get me a monster. Hope I can show you guys one. I'm gonna be throwing everything from power bait, panther martin, spoons, trout teasers, mini jigs, mini Cincos, whatever that fits in their mouth, I'm gonna throw. So anyway, stay tuned, guys, and hopefully I can bring you that trout, man. Stay tuned, stay tuned. Got me a nice little coffee because it's very early, very cold, 42 degrees outside. Headed to my spot. Looks like I'm the only one out today. It is a little wind, but it's not horrid, you know, so I think I'll be able to get it done. But we going after that 5-pounder, man. Really going after that 10-pounder. But it's tough considering they were stocked about a week ago. And it's been a lot of fishing going, but stay tuned, man. Stay tuned. Start with the mini Cinco. As you can see, it's pretty much Texas rig style. Shocking that these work for trout, but they do, man. I mean, why wouldn't it, you know? They eat night crawlers, right? Why wouldn't this work? You know what I mean? So keep that in mind when fishing for these trout. I just need you guys to know that. So anyway, I'm going after that 5-pounder, man. So stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned. Not big, but anything beats a skunk, right? He'll be released. Nothing like catching him on that little Cinco, man. Nothing like catching him on that little Cinco, man. All right, that's a fish, guys. Skunk off the board. There we go. There we go. A little DF. DFG. No skunk. Let's release this guy. Good size too. You want to eat? It'd be great. These would be great. Very fragile fish. Good turning. Right side up. Get him ready. There he goes. See you later, little guy. On out of here. Alright. Let's keep it going, guys. Keep it going. Second fish of the morning. First cast with the mini jig. It's a last one. It's a last one. Definitely a last one. Definitely a last one. These guys are mean. Mean fish. Mean fish. And he took mine. Oh, he snapped off. He snapped off. Oh man, these guys are evil. Evil, evil guys. That was awesome. Stay tuned. Guys, fish number 3. Alright. Like I said, I'm not keeping any unless they're like 5 or bigger. But someone else wants them, more than welcome. And it's the mini Cinco, man. Mini Cinco. Look at all these guys. I love them. Barrel roll. I'll take that. You want? You want it? No. You want? You want it? Yeah? Alright. Generous offer. DFG. Fun to catch. Don't fight nearly as hard as the last one, but definitely fun to catch. Definitely fun to catch. Alright. Another one, guys. Another one. Nice lesson.
Let me get in front of you.
Yeah. Woo. I'm letting him get tired.
Lift up a little.
Yeah, hold on. Hold on, I'm letting him run. Letting him run. Letting him run. He's ticked. Here you go, hold on. Yeah, I'm letting him get tired. Oh. Oh, oh. Here you come. Here you go. Oh.
Run him this way, yep.
Here you come. Oh, yeah. That's what we was waiting on, baby. This what we wait on, buddy.
Ain't no lining, but it's that.
Yeah.
It's a chunker. You're eating good, bro.
Appreciate you, brother. Oh. It's a trout. That is the kind of trout we looking for. That is a fatty, fatty, fat. Oh, and he choked it. Oh, he choked it. Fat. Fatty McFat. All right, guys, stay tuned. Stay tuned. Plain when you leave them with a fatty like such. Look at this thing. Chubster. That's a good trout. Very good trout. Big head. Man, I wanted the lightning, but whatever. Till next time. Yesterday was fun. No monsters. I did get like a 3-pounder or so, but not the monster I was looking for. So I'm off work a little early. Why not try again? Why not try again? You know, so I am off to the lake now, and let's see if we get lucky, man. Stay tuned, baby. Kid you not. I have a lightning on. Guys, I have a lightning trout on. I have a lightning trout.
Oh yeah, baby.
I have a lightning. I have to be slow. I have to be slow.
Huh?
Yes, please. Wait. He coming. Wait. Not yet. Not yet. Keep the net in the water. Keep it in the water. No, don't move. Don't move yet, Miko. Don't move yet. He's smart. Smart. Very smart. Hold on, wait. Just leave it in the water. I'll bring to you. Yeah, just leave like that. It's perfect. Leave like that. Let him get tired. Here you come. No, wait. Wait, Mingo. Wait. Wait. Yeah. Wait. Leave the net where it is. Yeah. Oh, so smart. So smart. Okay, here he comes. Hold on, wait. He's so smart. Get his head turned. Wait, leave it there. Leave the water. Leave in the water. Yeah, baby! Boom! Oh, gracias! Oh, let's go!
Damn, this is beautiful. Oh, at first.
Yeah, little jig. Oh, pop right out, see? Oh, let's go. Yes, sir.
for recording?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Is that what they look like? That's the lightning?
That's a lightning, baby.
Oh yeah, bro.
Struck by lightning. Let's go. Look at this. Yes, sir. Tank. Let's go, baby. Oh man, good luck, good luck, good luck.
Where'd you catch it on?
Jig.
Which one?
Mini jig, the one we used, the green one. Yep. Thank you so much. Oh, thanks, buddy.
¿Cuánto sacó usted? 5. ¿Sí? ¿También de esas?
Guys, do you see what I have in my hand? Guys, do you see what is in my hand? What was the goal in the last video, guys? Lightning trout. I feel like Thor right now. Look at this fish. Oh my God. When I say I am excited, I am excited. My God. Oh, that's exciting, baby. Yeah. It's like 3 of them swimming around right now. I can't tell you. I can't believe I have a lightning trout in my hand, guys. Stay tuned. Let's go ahead and get him set in the water. I cannot believe what I am holding. Look, see? Get him, buddy, look! Sir, I'm telling my youngster to go after another lightning. Look, you keep casting. Yeah, and he gonna get mad. All right, let's get him on the stringer. First, let's rip his gills because you have to bleed him. Yeah. All right. This fish is now on the stringer. And once I lock it, he is mine. I still can't believe what I am holding, but I am holding it. All right. Oh my God. Yeah, that's a fatty. Oh my God. Freaking lightning trout. Can't believe it. Break off the hand. Oh man. Somebody's mind stuck over here. Epic day on the freaking water. Yesterday I caught a bunch of DFGs, which was fun. Of course, can never complain about catching fish, but you know, I caught one lesson, which was great, you know, cool stuff. But I was like, man, I need to continue the video for the next day because I heard that it's possible that some freaking lightning were in the area. And look at this monster, man. I mean, look at the inside of this guy's mouth. He can fit a small fish in there easily. He's a freaking predator, man. They're a lot more skittish. I kid you not. A lot more skittish than the other rainbow trout. The Lassens or the DFGs. They fight. They're smart. I was terrified. You'll see in the video, though. Very epic. Can't believe I'm glad I went with my first mind. Just stopped by that freaking lake, man. Got me my first lightning. Hopefully there'll be more to come. The next one I catch will be a catch and cook. This one will not be. But hope you guys liked the video. If you do, hit that like button. Subscribe. Let me know in the comments what you guys would like to see. And I kid you not, I will reply or I will try to make it happen. Anyway, thanks for watching.